What's up guys? Today we're making a simple Shikakai herbal hair mask. I've been making an effort to incorporate more clays, and in this case herbs, back into my routine because they're just so rich in great vitamins and minerals for your hair and scalp. Today we're doing Shikakai treatment, also known as the hair fruit. We're only going to need 2 ingredients for this, keeping it simple these days. Just water and your 100% pure Shikakai powder. Shikakai is a traditional Ayurvedic medicinal plant that's been used in India for centuries. A traditional natural shampoo, this ground up powder cleanses without stripping. It also provides the hair and scalp with important nutrients that promote hair growth and vitality. High in antioxidants and vitamin D, A, C, and K, Shikakai has antiseptic properties that help soothe inflamed scalps, antifungal properties that help clear away dandruff, itchy, and dry scalp issues. It promotes hair growth, adds shine, helps to detangle, and helps to keep your hair and scalp's pH balanced. It also strengthens your hair roots for thicker, stronger hair, reducing hair fall and shedding over time. So I'm adding 1 cup of Shikakai powder to my bowl, followed by 1.5 cups of warm water, and then just mix it all together. Just an FYI guys, I'm gonna make this mixture twice, so in total 2 cups Shikakai and 3 cups of warm water. It just all doesn't fit in my bowl. But I like to use a lot of this mask because 1, I've got a ton of hair and I like thick coverage, but I know that can get kind of pricey. So if you got less hair than me, 1 cup of powder is definitely gonna be enough. And on the flip side, if you got the same amount or more hair than me, you can either double this recipe like I do, or just add more water, which will dilute the mixture and make it go a little farther. But yeah, just FYI, I like it thick. That's what she said. Okay, cool guys. When all the lumps are out, you're gonna notice these bubbles start to form and you'll know it's ready to go. I put my mask in an applicator bottle for easier application. Just be sure if you're making a thicker paste like I am to cut the tip of your bottle, otherwise the mix might not come out. Alright, application time. Remember, this is a cleanser and it's full of amazing vitamins and minerals. Make sure to cover your hair and scalp with it. I'm working it in to really make sure I get it on every inch of my hair and scalp. And as you can see, my hair was hella tangled and dry before applying this. I definitely waited a little too long this week for wash day. Alright guys, some quick tips. Well, number 1, if you cut your applicator bottle, just make sure that you're not dragging it across your hair and scalp. That tip will now be sharp like a knife, so you don't want to risk cutting your scalp or breaking your hair, so just keep that tip away from your hair as you're applying it. Another tip, I'm clearly doing this in front of a camera, but obviously it's going to be less messy if you do this in your shower. And lastly, really take your time massaging this mask into your hair and scalp. You really want to give your scalp especially a chance to soak in and benefit from the Shikakai. Not to mention, scalp massages are always great for blood flow. So if you have the time, take the time. Alright, so giving my scalp one last good massage all over. Gotta get that blood circulating. And now I'm gonna hop in the shower to rinse this all out. So again, Shikakai is a cleanser, so no need to shampoo. Just rinse away the paste thoroughly, then follow up with a deep conditioner, and then any leave-ins if you like, and you're good to go. So here's the next day. All I did for this hairstyle was my moisture routine, and I'll link that video in the description box. Basically, just added a leave-in, some aloe juice, and a bit of oils, and then twisted it up.
Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
My hair feels so light and fresh, so bouncy and moisturized, and my scalp is nice and clean, but not dry. Everything felt amazing. I'm gonna try to incorporate this treatment and some other clay treatments into my routine every other week in place of my African black soap shampoo so that my scalp can get the benefits of the vitamins and minerals from the clay. I just remember back in the day I used to only use clay wash to cleanse my hair, and I think it was really helpful in keeping my scalp nice and healthy. I definitely have been paying more close attention to what I do to my scalp, so I'm definitely gonna go back to incorporating these clay treatments, but just every other week. Balance is key. Alright guys, so I hope you give this treatment a try. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.